Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to download the Wirex app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Play Store and type in Wirex on the search bar. So once you type in Wirex, you need to search for it and you will get this app. So after you tap the app, you can find the install button. So simply tap on it and in matter of seconds, your Wirex app will start to get downloaded in your device. So once the downloading process is completely done, the installing process will start. So after a few minutes, the Wirex app will be successfully installed in your Android device as well. So this is how you download the Wirex app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.